Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make this very easy beanie or hat. This is just a row repeat pattern. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily make this hat. The height of my hat is for about 32 centimeters. And width of the hat depends on the circumference of the head that you require. Things that we require for this project are yarn of two colors. These are 4-ply yarns. I'm going to use a hook of 4.5 mm for this project, a stitch marker and a yarn needle. I'm going to begin with slip knot and now chain 56. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these are 10 chains. Complete chains and we will meet again and when these chains would be done. These are 56 chains plus one more chain, and this is the turning chain. We are not going to count this chain. Skip this chain into the next one, insert the hook in, pull through 2, single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch. So we have to complete 48 single crochet and we will meet again when we have completed doing 48 single crochet. Leave 8 chains at the top for the crown. So complete the row and we will meet again when we have completed 48 single crochet. When we completed these 48 single crochet, we are going to work for the crown of this beanie. So into the next stitch, slip stitch 1, into the next stitch, slip stitch 2. Keep these stitches a little loose so that while doing the next row, you don't have to struggle in inserting the hook. Now, this is the next slip stitch and this is the 6th one, 7th and 8th. So we did 48 single crochet and 8 slip stitches. Chain 1. We are not going to count this chain. This is the turning chain. Again we have to do 8 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the back loop only. This is the front loop and this is the back loop. 6 into the back loop. 7th into the back loop and 8th into the back loop. Put a stitch marker here so that you are not going to miss the stitches from where to begin the slip stitches. Now again, this is the front loop and this is the back loop. We are going to work into all the back loops throughout the project. So work into all the back loops and we have to do single crochet. So you just need to know how to do single crochet and how to do slip stitches for this project. So follow the same pattern and keep on growing the pattern till you get this width. You have to get half part that is from the back and more than half part for the front part. I am telling you this because this is where we are going to suit both the ends. This is the place where we are going to join both the ends of our beanie. So we are keeping it at the back. Otherwise, This is the right side and this is the wrong side. This is reversible pattern. And now when we have get for almost more than half of the part, as you can see, I'm going to add second color to my beanie and always join the color from the top. That is where you have done these slip stitches or where the crown is. So now I am going to add another color to my beanie, and this is chain 1. Flip the work. So now at first we have to do 8 slip stitches for the crown. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now put this stitch marker here into the 8th stitch and continue doing single crochet into all the back loops of the row. So complete the row and we will meet again when these both rows would be completed. When these 2 rows are complete with yarn of color B, we are going to switch to yarn of color A. So this was the last stitch of the row, chain 1. Now we have to do 8 slip stitches and then we have to begin the row. Again we have to do 2 rows with yarn of color A, and after completing 2 rows with yarn of color A, we have to continue doing 2 rows with yarn of color B, and we will meet again when we have completed all these rows. So this is the beanie that I completed. I did 2 rows with yarn of color B, then 2 rows of yarn of color A, and repeated the same for 3 times, and then continued the pattern with yarn of color A to the width that I require for my beanie. So my beanie is for about 42 centimeters wide, and you can see this is stretchable, so this can fit to any size of the head. Now I'm going to sew the ends. So take yarn needle and sew the ends with simple stitches. So complete sewing in this way to the top of the beanie, and we will meet again when we have completed sewing these 2 ends. When I completed sewing these 2 ends to the top of this beanie, I'm going to sew the stitches at the top for the crown of the hat in this way. Now pull the yarn tightly. So complete the crown of the beanie in this way, and we will meet again when the top of the hat would be completed. Now this is the hat that I have completed. If you wish, you can add a pom-pom on the top of this beanie. Thank you so much.